What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Kali Linux in Java Virtual Machine. I have already installed it but I'm going to show you again. For that you need to open Chrome. Type in VirtualBox. If you are a 64-bit user then you don't have any problem. You just click here and click download. But if you are a 32-bit user as I am, click on downloads, wait for it to open. It shows the old builds because from version I think 5.2 they have discontinued showing the see virtual 5.2 build is the last one for 32-bit, but don't worry, it will work for Kali Linux. I am using it. Click this. Your download will start. Now click on the extension pack. I already have it, so I don't need it. Then you need to go to download Kali Linux. For that, click on kali.org. Then wait for it to come. Then click on downloads and download Kali Linux. Then go all the way down near here. So guys, VMware is more compatible, but most of them use VirtualBox. So I'm going to show you about VirtualBox. If you're a 62-bit user, click here. If you're a 32-bit user, click here. It doesn't matter. You can click any of these four, because it will take you to the same site. So please wait. As you can see, it's connecting. Sorry for the wait, guys. Have I clicked it? Oh yeah. So here we have. Go down. Now click on VMware sizes slow. So I'm sorry, it's less. But the Kali Linux VirtualBox image, it's huge. So I'm 32-bit user. Just click here. If you're 64-bit, click here. It doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna cancel it. Then go where you have downloaded. So here we are. You just need to open the VirtualBox setup. As I have already downloaded it, so it will show me to repair. I hope so. Repair. So I'll just click repair. Then the process is the same. So I'm waiting for it. So as you can see, opening new files. The process is the same. Then if you're installing, then you just need to change the directory. Like if you want, the default directory is C. If you want to keep it as C, let it be. I have changed it to E because I prefer E, because all my YouTube stuff is in E. So done. You must restart your system for configurations make to virtual machine. Click yes to restart now. Click no to plan it to manually restart it later. So as you can see, it's done. Now I'm going to click no, and then I'm going to click Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Double click it. I hope it is going to show me an pop-up, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing reinstall. Actually, I've already installed it, so I'm going to hit reinstall. Then go down, then click agree. Clicking yes. Installing the extension pack. So okay, now that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to restart my computer because it will not show me. So I am pausing. It will continue. So guys, I have rebooted my computer. Sorry for this error. I have rebooted my computer, and I am going to click start. So here we have the Kali interface. Wait. Now I am sure that you are going to see a login page. Enter Kali, and the password is also Kali. So as you can see, we are logged in. Look. Now to get into root, you need to click this. Wait for it to open. Then type sudo -i. Now enter password for Kali, that is Kali. Now type passwd root. Now type a new password for root. So my password is updated. So now I need to type root and my password. So I am in root. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and watch my latest video how to hack Wi-Fi passwords. Thank you.